In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new outlet. You're going to need some tools, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head, some way to cut wire. Recommend these linesman pliers. Some way to strip wire. Highly recommend these Vise-Grip automatic strippers. You'll need a new outlet, of course. And I also recommend you getting one of these circuit testers to make sure that you've done the work right when you're done. After you've made sure the power is off, you can begin working on the outlet. I've already taken the cover plate off because I've been painting in this room. The outlet is held on by these two screws, one down here and one up here. We have 4 wires in the back. Black is hot, white is neutral, and then usually there's a ground, but because this condo has metal outlets with metal conduit, that acts as our ground. Because these are pushed in to the back, we're going to need to cut them off. We need to strip the wires about 1/2 inch. And this is where the automatic strippers come in really handy. Then we'll need to put a little hook in the end of the wire so we can wrap it around our screw. I prefer using the screw instead of the push-in on the back of the new outlet. On the new outlet, we have a ground screw, which we will not be using in this case. So I'm going to tighten that up to give us a little more working room. And then on the side that the ground is, we have the 2 posts for the neutrals. So the white guys go on these 2 posts. And then the black guys go on these 2 posts. Silver goes to white, and then this brass goes to black. It also will inscribe on the back here which one goes to which. We'll now separate the wires and start installing them onto their posts. Okay, we've got the posts all tightened up. We can now install the outlet into the box. Now this one's going to be a little bit tricky because it's kind of sunk in there. If yours is similar, don't sweat it too much because when you put the cover on, it'll tighten things up for you. I've turned the power back on this room, and now we're going to use our little tester to make sure that it works. 2 orange lights means it's wired correctly. And there you go, you've installed a new outlet. Good luck.